Hi viewers, my wishes to you all. I am Isabella. I am from Tamil Nadu. I am an acupuncture practitioner, also electrohomeopathy practitioner. I am in this field for more than 12 years. Today I am going to share with you all a drugless therapy which can cure all your ailments without any medicine and without any operation. Acupuncture is a drugless therapy which can cure all the disease and permanently. For instance, headache, migraine, spondylitis, lower and upper back pain, knee pain, sciatica, heel pain, Parkinson, also mental disorders and tension, heel pain and the foot pain with burning sensation. Some of the diabetics they have foot pain and burning sensation that also can be cured by acupuncture. My humble advice to you all, before going for any operation, just have a trial with acupuncture. It can cure and eradicate all your ailments without any medicine and without any side effect. Of course, without any operation. I have seen many people going for operation for cervical spondylitis, back pain and knee pain. After the operation, they are not able to move. Not always for all it is successful. Just have a trial with acupuncture for all your ailments. Today, I am going to teach you all an eminent point which can cure all your heart diseases. Whether it is blockage or with high cholesterol, whatever problem may be, only one point in our body that can do wonders to cure all your ailments of hearts. First of all, near left hand corner in the small finger, the little finger, the nail corner, not the outside one but inside the one. Just press it. You have to give little hard press, not less, just touching. Press it little hard. Or like these things are available in the market, you can buy and use it. If you all want, you can order also from me. Just press this point with this assistance. See, this point, that's all. 2 minutes a day is enough. If you don't want heart attack at all, morning 2 minutes, evening 2 minutes, pressing this point is enough. If you have already heart problems, then you have to do at least 5 times a day or whenever you remember, just press this point. If anyone at home or from office, somebody is getting heart attack, first of all, call the ambulance. Then wait. Just press this point to the patient so that his life is saved. It is a miraculous, it is a first aid and a prominent point for the acupuncture. And some of the precautions what can be done is a piece of garlic, chew it and have a glass of water every day before going to bed. If you do, it will control your cholesterol as well as your heart attack problem also will be solved. Then also importantly, go for walk. every day walking or exercise is must, because if your blood circulation is normal, you will not have any ailments in your body. So go for walk. The another important thing is, I am going to teach you all one mudra which can expand your lifespan. Heart attack blockage problem also will be solved. For instance, see, this is, we say Prana Vayu Mudra. If you don't remember the name, doesn't matter. This only you have to remember the points where I keep. The index finger should touch the thumb, under the thumb. Then all other fingers should touch the tips. The same thing. The index finger should touch the thumb, downside of the thumb. Then all other fingers should be folded, the tips. This is the one. Just down. Then close all the other fingers. Same thing. Touch the thumb underneath, then rest of the fingers. If you do, this should be done 45 minutes a day. But you can divide it 15 minutes, thrice a day. Morning 15 minutes, afternoon 15 minutes, evening 15 minutes. And this can be done with any posture, whether lying down or walking or standing, sitting. So viewers, if you like, share and subscribe, and I will meet you in another video, and I will be teaching you very important points which can cure without doctor, without medicine, any operation, all your ailments.